But you know who's less popular than Osama bin Laden in New York? The one person who's less popular than Osama bin Laden in New York is the person who has a cold. All you have to do is sneeze. You have to sneeze somewhere. You sneeze somewhere and you're the bad guy from Contagion. You're like untouchable, leper, like stay away. Because we in New York, we're too busy to get sick. We never have time. It's never a good time. You know, if you're in Arkansas and you sneeze somewhere, somebody's probably going to rub your back. Do you need a tissue? Can I give you something? Can I get you some hot water with the ginger and the garlic and every other solution we've worked out? Not in New York. Not in New York. Here, you sneeze and immediately there's a reaction. In a subway. You sneeze in a subway and it's like the polite sidestep. Have you guys seen that? It's like, the contagion has arrived! I cannot get sick right now. I cannot get sick right now. I cannot get sick tomorrow. I have a work week. Ski trip. I have a ski trip. US Open tickets. Oh my God, it's my dog's birthday. Whatever it is, you cannot get sick because you're a New Yorker. So like, who is it that can get sick? Like, is there a person out there for whom like there's a timetable map? I mean, people in Jersey. Like, what are they doing? What are they doing anyway? This is a true story. I did sneeze once. I made the mistake of sneezing in a grocery store, unannounced. Because, you know, usually you feel the sneeze and you stop it. You're like, wait a minute. There's like a school person here. There's your doorman there. Then there's your kid. Like, you got to find a safe. No, I did sneeze in a grocery store by accident once. And a lady had such a reaction. She walks up to me and gets in my face. Go home! So I'm looking at her and I'm thinking, if a sneeze is going to kill you, you should be staying home. Do you know how many things we are surrounded by? But that's the insanity of New York. Nobody is sane here.